We're here on Lake Simcoe on this snowy morning, checking out this Bailey Design custom home here on Crescent Harbor in Innisfil. Behind me, we have a 20-foot by 10-foot single piece of glass that we'll be installing today in our custom aluminum frames, and the glass is provided by our friends at Ignora. We're upstairs at the Crescent Harbor with the slimline 38 windows to capture this gorgeous view. Come upstairs with me to this elevated gym where we get to overlook the bay and look out these gorgeous SL38 windows.
But you make me unsteady whenever I see your face.
We're in the upstairs office here, where we get to have all the natural light through the lift and slide door. And you can come and enjoy your coffee on the deck. We're at our French lift and slide here, which opens up to our outdoor patio. The primary focal point for the owner to have this single piece of glass, 20 by 10, to look out onto the bay. After hours of install, we finally have this piece of glass installed, bringing the homeowner's vision to life.
You give me vertigo.